Many decades ago, neighborhoods in Bangalore woke up to a natural alarm, that is, the chirping of these tiny wonders, the sparrow. The chirping would reach a crescendo both in the morning and evening, and they would fly away to roost on crevices in the walls or tiled roofs of homes. But where are they now? Rampant urbanization, using pesticides in the fields, buying cleaned and readily available grains which rob them of easy pickings, have contributed in their disappearance from the cityscapes. Mobile towers is an impediment for their well-being. These tiny birds kept many insects at bay. They were nature's pesticides. Nowadays, in the concrete jungle, there is no space for roosting. They have moved away and now can be found in small pockets in the city's outskirts. 20th of March is observed as World Sparrow Day to raise awareness and protect the house sparrows. We appreciate nature's biodiversity as it supports many habitats of birds in cities. Let us bring back these gregarious birds back into our fold. Happy Sparrow Day!